Good day, students. My name is Abdulaziz Idris, your regular Math 103 tutor. Today, we are going to be looking at conversion of angles from degrees, minutes, seconds to a radian measure. And we're going to begin the class by taking an example. The example is saying, convert A, convert 45 degrees, B, minus 128 degrees, C, 28 degrees, 10 seconds, and then D, 42 degrees, 24 minutes, 35 seconds. Two angles in radian. Two angles in radian measure. So to solve this, already we have been told that to convert an angle from a degree or whatsoever measurement it is, you have to convert it first to degree. Whatsoever measurement it is, you convert it first to degree, and from degree then to a radian measure. And to convert an angle from degree to a radian measure, you have to multiply that angle by pi over 180, and the answer will appear in radian measure. For example, the A part, we are given 45 degrees, and this is equal to pi over 180 times 45 degrees, and that is equal to, so the answer here, this answer will appear in radian measure, whatsoever the answer may be. So after the calculation, here when you cancel, you have 1 over 4 pi. 1 over 4 pi radian. Or you just write it as pi over 4 radian. That is the answer. And we go to B, and the B part is saying minus 128 degrees. This is equals to pi over 180 because it is in degrees times minus 128 degrees. And the answer will appear to be a radian measure, and this is equal to, so if you multiply 180 minus 180 minus 128 over pi, and the answer is going to be minus 32 because of the negative here, minus 32 pi over 45, and this is a radian measure. Now the C part, you see the C part is comprising of degrees and a minute. Now, for you to convert this angle to a radian measure, you first have to convert the minute part to an angle in degree. For example, to solve this, you have 28 degrees, 10 minutes, and this is equals to 28, and then plus 10 over 60, because to convert to minute, you have to divide, to convert minutes to degree, you have to divide by 60, and seconds to degree, you have to divide by 3600. That's a product of 60 and 60. So this is going to be 28 degrees plus, if you do the division using your calculation, you have 0.7, and this is equals to 28.17 degree. 28, not 0.7, 0.17. So 28.17 degrees, and this is going to be 28.17 degrees times pi over 180. And this is, after the division, the answer is going to be in radian, and this is going to be 8.17 pi over 180 in radian. You can further use a calculator and divide. The D part is saying you are to convert 42 degrees, as we are seeing it here. You are to convert 42 degrees, 24 minutes, 35 seconds. Now, this is going to give you, for you to convert this to an angle in radian measure, you have to convert these first two decimals to an angle in degree first. Now, to do that, so this is 42 degrees plus 24 over 60. Now it will appear in degree, plus you have 35 over 3600. It will also appear in degree. But this is equal to 42 degrees plus, after the division, you will have 0.4 degrees plus 0.01 degree. So the sum is going to give you 42.41 degrees, and this is equivalent to saying 42.41 degrees, sorry, not degrees, because we are going to divide by 180 pi, and this is in radian measure. So rad, it's in a radian measure. So this is how to convert an angle from a given unit to a radian measure. Our next section of the lesson is going to be conversion, converting angles from radian to degrees. If you are able to convert an angle from radian to degrees, then you can convert it to either minute or second. It is very easy. The difficult part is just to convert it from radian to degree. From degree to other units, it has already been taught in previous lessons. So students are referred to go back to the previous lessons for refreshment. So we have an example here. That example is saying convert A. We have 5 pi over 9. This is in radian. And then B is saying minus 5 pi over 6 in radian measure. And then C is saying you should convert 7 pi over 12 in radian measure. And then D is saying we should convert 4 pi over 3, all these to angles in degrees. Now, to convert this to angles in degrees, it's very easy for us, since to convert an angle from radian measure to an angle in degree, simply multiply that given angle by 180 over pi, the reciprocal of the unit we have used in converting an angle from degree to a radian measure. Now, the A part is saying 5 pi over 9 in radian. So this is going to be 5 pi over 9 times 180 over pi. So simply pi will cancel pi. You just have 5. This is equals to 5 times 180 all over 9. And this is simply giving you 900 over 9. And the answer is in degree. So whatsoever is here is in degree. The answer here is in degree. So this is just 100 degrees. The B part is saying we should convert minus 5 pi over 6 in radian to an angle in degree. So we simply multiply minus 5 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. Pi simply goes with pi. All we have, this answer is going to be in degree. All we have here is minus 5 times 180 over 6. And the answer is in degree. And this is going to give us minus 150 degrees because of the negative that is here from the beginning of the question. So we have the C part. We are given 7 pi over 12 in radian. we should convert to degrees. So we have 7 pi over 12 times 180 over pi. Pi will cancel pi, so the answer is going to be in degree whatsoever the evaluation may give. So we have 7 times 180 over 12. And this is going to give us an angle in degree, which is 105 degrees after multiplying 7 by 180 and dividing by 12. So we are going to the D part of the question. The D part is saying we should convert 4 pi over 3, a radian measure, to an angle in degrees. So we have 4 pi over 3 times 180 degrees over pi. So pi will cancel pi. So what you have, the answer will appear in degree. So what you have is 4 times 180 over 3. And simply, this will give us a very simple angle, which is 240 degrees after the multiplication and division by 3. So that is it.